Judge blocks California's ban on magazines holding more than 10 rounds. A federal judge in California on Friday ruled against the Golden State's ban on gun magazines that are able to hold more than 10 rounds. U.S. District Court Judge Roger T. Benitez said the rule violates the Second Amendment and infringes upon citizens' rights to defend themselves. California's Benitez, a George W. Bush appointee who serves on the bench for the Southern District of California, also wrote that California's ban unfairly impacts a wide swath of the state's gun owners, as many choose to use magazines containing over 10 rounds for their defense. The National Rifle Association (NRA), which backed the lawsuit, hailed the decision as a huge judge. The gun lobbying group acknowledged that the state was likely to appeal Friday's decision to the Ninth Circuit. California is widely considered to have some of the strictest gun control policies in the country. We updated at 8:18 p.m.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park, pot.